Today I'm going to teach you how to calculate conversion rates in Salesforce reports. This is incredibly useful for tracking how effectively your team is turning leads into actual opportunities or customers, giving you clear visibility into your sales performance. First, head over to the app launcher and search for Reports. Click on it to open the Reports tab. Once you're there, click on New Report to start building your custom conversion report from scratch. You'll see a list of report types. Select Leads, then choose Leads with converted lead information, and click Start Report. This specific report type is essential because it includes data on which leads have been converted, allowing us to calculate accurate conversion rates. Next, click on the Filters tab at the top. By default, Salesforce might show only a subset of your leads, so you'll want to change the filter to All Leads and click Apply, then adjust the Date Range filter to All Time and click Apply again. This ensures you're capturing every lead in your system for a complete picture. Now click Add Filter. In the filter options, select Converted, set the value to True, and click Apply. This step filters your report to show only leads that have actually been converted, which is the foundation of your conversion rate calculation. Once your filters are set, click back to the Outline section to continue building the report structure. Look for the Groups section and click Add Group. Here, select Lead Source or Lead Owner under Group Rows, depending on how you want to segment your data. Grouping by lead source, for example, lets you see which channels are delivering the highest conversion rates. Now comes the important part. Click on the Columns dropdown and select Add Summary Formula column. This is where you'll create the actual conversion rate calculation. In the column name field, type conversion rate. Then set the formula output type to % so your results display as percentages rather than decimals. In the formula field, enter converted : sum space / row count. This formula divides the total number of converted leads by the total number of leads in each group, giving you the conversion rate. Once you've entered the formula, click Validate to make sure there are no errors, then click Apply. You're almost done. Click Save and Run at the top of the screen. Enter a report name, such as Lead Conversion Rate, then select the folder where you want to save it and click Save. Your report will now run and display the conversion rates for each group you selected. And that's it. You've successfully created a Salesforce report that calculates conversion rates, giving you actionable insights into your lead performance. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.